Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our English Learning Podcast. I am Mary.
And I am Ollie. It is so good to be here with you all today.
Yes, we are very happy you are listening. This podcast is for you if you want to learn English in an easy and fun way.
That's right. Before we start today's topic, please remember to like this episode. And if you are new, subscribe to our channel.
Oh, yes, and leave a comment below. Tell us what you think or where you are listening from. We love hearing from you.
Today, we have a very interesting topic. We will talk about my favorite season.
That sounds nice, Ollie. Everyone has a favorite season, right? What is your favorite season, Ollie?
My favorite season is summer, Mary. Definitely summer.
Oh, summer. Why do you like summer so much?
Well, in summer, the weather is warm. I love warm weather. And the days are long. I can do many things.
That's true. Long days are great. What do you do in summer?
I often go to the beach. I like to swim in the sea. And I play volleyball with my friends.
Oh, that sounds like fun. Do you travel in summer?
Yes, sometimes. Last summer, I went to the mountains. It was beautiful there.
Mountains in summer? Interesting. I usually think of winter for mountains.
No, summer mountains are great for hiking. The air is fresh. So, Mary, you know my favorite season. What about you? What is your favorite season?
My favorite season is autumn. Or fall, as some people say.
Autumn? Really? Why autumn?
I love the colors of the leaves. They turn red, orange, and yellow. It is so beautiful to see.
Oh, I agree. The colors are nice. But it gets cold, right?
A little, yes, but I like cool weather. It is perfect for long walks in the park. And I love warm drinks like hot chocolate.
Hot chocolate is good. Do you do anything special in autumn?
Yes, I like to pick apples. And I love Halloween. It's a fun holiday.
Apple picking. That sounds nice. Do you make apple pie?
Sometimes, my mom makes the best apple pie. I just help pick the apples.
Oh, I see. And Halloween. That's when you dress up, right?
Yes, it's fun to wear costumes, and children go trick-or-treating. It's very lively.
I have never really celebrated Halloween. Maybe I should try it.
You should. It's a good time. What about food? Do you like autumn food?
I like pumpkin soup. It's warm and tasty.
Oh, yes. Pumpkin soup is great. And roasted vegetables? Autumn food is very comforting.
So we talked about summer and autumn. What about spring, Mary? Do you like spring?
Spring is nice. Everything becomes green again and flowers bloom. It's a season of new beginnings.
That's a good way to put it. I like spring too, but sometimes it rains a lot.
True. And winter? What do you think about winter, Ollie?
Winter is okay. I like snow, but it can be very cold. I don't like being cold.
I understand. I like winter for Christmas and New Year. Family time is special.
Yes, holidays are good. And hot drinks by the fireplace. That's nice.
Exactly. Every season has something special.
So, Mary, if you could only choose one activity for each season, what would it be?
Oh, that's a hard question. For summer, I would choose swimming. Definitely swimming.
Good choice. And for autumn?
For autumn, I would choose long walks in the park, looking at the colorful leaves.
Nice. What about spring?
In spring, I would say gardening, planting new flowers and watching them grow.
Oh, that's lovely. And winter?
For winter, I would choose drinking hot chocolate by the fire with a good book. Very cozy.
Sounds perfect. My choices are similar.
That's smart. I often forget my umbrella.
Oh no, that's not good. Do you like sunny days or cloudy days more?
I like sunny days, but not too hot. A nice, warm, sunny day is the best.
I love very hot sunny days. Perfect for the beach.
Mm, I prefer it a little cooler. What about rain? Do you like rain?
I don't mind light rain. It makes everything fresh. But heavy rain? No, thank you.
Speaking of seasons, do you have a favorite holiday, Ollie?
My favorite holiday. I think it's New Year's Eve. I love the celebrations and fireworks.
Oh, yes! New Year's Eve is very exciting. Do you make New Year's resolutions?
Sometimes I try to, but it's hard to keep them. What about you, Mary?
My favorite holiday is Christmas. I love the family gatherings and the special food.
That's nice. Do you get many presents?
Oh, Ollie, it's not about the presents. It's about being together. But yes, a few.
I was just asking. Family time is the best.
Allie, what do you think we can learn from the different seasons?
That's a deep question, Mary. I think seasons teach us about change. Everything changes.
Oh, that's a good point. And that after winter, spring always comes. There is always hope.
Yes, and each season has its own beauty. We should enjoy every moment.
I agree. And we learn to adapt. We wear different clothes, do different activities.
Exactly. Life is like the seasons. It has different parts.
Very true. It's a nice way to think about it.
So, what's your favorite season for learning English?
Any season is good for learning English. Well, Ollie, our time is almost finished again.
Oh, already? Time flies when we are talking about interesting things.
It really does. We hope you enjoyed our conversation about seasons today.
Remember to like this episode, leave a comment, and subscribe to our channel for more.
Thank you so much for listening. Your support helps us a lot.
Keep practicing your English every day. You are doing great.
We will be back next week with another fun topic.
See you next time, everyone.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.